Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and we're watching CGHOW video. Today I create this magical aura AOE effect in UE5 Niagara, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and let's start. So let's quickly create a map, and actually let me delete this. Delete this. And from my previous tutorial, I will just copy a map because it will come with a character copy. And then I'll open this map. So I have this, let me delete the effects. I have this gray map with the character. Okay, that's good. So now first I need a mesh. Go to Blender and I'll delete this and quickly take a planer, press R and press S and scale, then R, X and 90-degree, and then press tab to go edit mode, right click and subdivide. And here I'll increase this and you can check it on wireframe how much you need. I just need one actually. And then I'll go to edge mode, pressing 2, select this edge, this edge, move tool, and actually you can just select this edge and just move it here, maybe this much. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, and then I'll press A U. You don't need to unwrap it. I think if you go here, it is already, because this is a planar, so don't need to unwrap.